Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. If you didn't watch part one, you'll be a little bit confused, but I made a little mistake on my wrap. This is a wrap around the glass that came out dead on. The paper was actually a little bit long, and when I made that other video, I wasn't thinking about it. I'd made this 5.75, and if we take the parallel dimension tool and move this up, holding down the control button, we get a 6-inch piece of paper now. So we need to adapt that. I'm going to take the shape tool and I'm going to select it all. I'm going to just right click and break them apart. Then I'm going to take don't really have to do this, but it'd be easier to take them out of the way. And then I'm going to go up to object and break the curve apart. Set my nudge factor now back on 1/4 of an inch and move this down. The lines are separated, so we got to go to object and combine them. And then just nudge that down, making that 1/4 of an inch. I do not think it's going to change our paper at all because our lines are still the same. And then just do this and fill this in with the Smart Fill tool. Don't probably really have to, but I get accustomed to doing that. And then left click, right click, rotate it 90 degrees. Take this away. Change your paper size, and I would suggest printing out on a printer, and then just hit P and print that out on just a regular piece of paper with your regular paper printer, and then test it against your cup before you cut out your labels and make that work. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.